Hey everyone, it's Chris at Service Autopilot. I want to show you something that we've recently added to the system that you might not have known about. It's something that a lot of people have asked us for over the last year or so, and that is removing prepay balances from your client's overall account balance. And if you don't understand what I'm talking about, it'll make more sense as we look in the system. So let's go ahead and jump in here. And we'll look at an example of a prepayment. So I'll go to a client and we'll find a client here that doesn't have an account balance. We'll do, let's see here, Trevor Howard. So when I go into Trevor's account, he obviously has a $0 account balance, but let's say that Trevor prepaid for some type of service I offer. Maybe it's a program that he paid all up front for. Maybe he bought some type of gift card program thing that I have. But regardless, he is prepaying for service. So here's how you add that. And if you didn't know about prepayments, this will be a good lesson for you as well. So I'm going to add a transaction and add a payment. And let's just say that he prepaid for $500 worth of service. And now I can check this box that says, is a prepayment. What will happen at this point is, as invoices get created for Trevor, the balance of this prepayment will automatically be withdrawn from. And so it's just a good way of keeping the account balances clean when they are giving you money in advance for services. However, we'll see what happens when I add this. I'll save and close. We see here that his balance now goes to a credit of $500. Also, we see in the prepayment section that he's prepaid $500, and that's fine. It had been requested of us for quite a while to have the ability to remove this number from the account balance so that it did not show up as a $500 credit. And the common theme in the request that we got is that it can sometimes be confusing for customers to see that credit when they've prepaid. If you're doing other types of services for them as well, and they need to pay for those on time, when they see that they've got a credit, sometimes that gets confusing, and then at the end of the season, they're left with an account balance and they don't understand why. So we've added the ability to remove this from the account balance, and here's how you do it. We'll go to our home settings, and you will need a pretty high level of access in order to get to this screen. But we'll come to company information, and we'll scroll down until we get to the section that says settings. So here we are in settings, and we're looking for this option right here. Include prepayment and account balance. By default, it's checked. I'm going to deselect that and save. And now we'll go back to Trevor's account, and we'll see that the prepayment has been removed from the balance. We still see that it's in the prepayment section here, but he now has an even $0 balance. And so when he gets an invoice for a different service that he didn't prepay for, he's going to be able to easily see that he still owes for that. So again, something that was really highly requested of us. I hope that it's useful to you. Continue to send us feedback. We're always taking your feedback and considering that when we do future enhancements. So please continue to do that. Thanks for being a Service Autopilot customer. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for videos like this and more. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks.